Yeah, Atletico Madrid and Arsenal. Omienu na omunjibida. Osha the other side, PSG ni Bayern Munich. Omienu omajibida. In fact, PSG current reigning champions of the Champions League. It makes the Champions League semi-final very, very interesting. Now, Rich, you started from Arsenal by Atletico Madrid for side. No? Atletico were bought Champions League final in 2014 and 2016. Oluzu Nhyira to Real Madrid. 2014 final, no. Olusu 4-1. And 2016 final, no. After 1-1 draw in normal time, or call penalties, and Olusu 5-3. So Diego Simeone has suffered that in the final of the Champions League on Team NG Bida with Atletico Madrid. Now, Oshe Arsenal and so they want to come and make a statement. Say, over the last season, sir, they have come very close. And when you look at the last time we won the Champions League, that was about Omuko Champions League final. That was 10 years ago. That was 20 years ago, sorry. 2006 final on Barcelona, Eboya or Lusu 2-1. They want to make a statement and say they have come out of those situations to become a big name in football once again, especially in Champions League conversations. But compare that as this Arsenal team to Diego Simeone Atletico Madrid now, you cannot clearly point out who is capable of beating who. Because at this point, no, or you're quite cautious. Arsenal, if they want to prioritize one trophy between Champions League and Premier League now, they will take the Premier League. Because Enono has come with a bit more prestige to them than the Champions League. Compare the two. Atletico Madrid and Sua, the kind of footballer or ball, when you compare how they played against Barcelona, both the home game and then the away game, Utimu said they have a lot of squad depth, but are very protective. So look at the two. Arsenal knowing very well that I need to prioritize the Premier League, but I have a Champions League that Minyanosu Kanhua Kebemede. But coming against Diego Simeone, also a very, 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 he's eyeing the final with the idea that if I go to the final with at the third attempt, I need to try and win it. Now, Yemba PSG, any Bayern Munich side, I'm not making a said. On paper, you would want to favor PSG more than Bayern Munich because in terms of all-round ability, every single player in the PSG setup has an exceptional quality here. It's not just about positions or mobile. They all move forward, and when they have to defend, they all come back. But when you look at their attacking power, you look at Desiree Doué, Ousmane Dembele, any Abranti Efeno, Kivichak Kvaratskhelia, Umrantie Myensawe, the kind of footballer or mobile, and say Omunyawa, the way they want to score you, the way they want to attack you, the way they want to press you. That is one thing I was a Bayern Munich actually because if Bayern Munich want to win the game against PSG, they have to look at these things very well. Omo defensive pair of Jonathan Tah and Abranti Efeno Dayoto Pamecano have not been too solid, and that has been the problem. Eddie Omunya, even in the game against Real Madrid, Omo boy just this week. Ushe game ni year goals Omo concede Adagule second goal year. First goal, but no, a mistake. No, okay, let's just assume that Manonoya was a bit complacent and didn't, do very well on that situation. But if Kylian Mbappe go here, clearly Vinicius Junior Eddie Bon progressing into attack. No, the Upamecano could have done a better job by tracking down Kylian Mbappe and intercepting that ball. But Wanyanisa, and they considered that goal. The only thing that Bayern Munich would have to work on is defense. We are no free. They have everything that it takes to win the Champions League.
As I gave you who goes wow. Because two teams they love to attack.
Exactly.
And they don't prioritize defending
so much.
Because Bayern, like you said, Bayern himself on certain need top class defenders.
Yeah.
Upamecano, Jonathan Tah. What I say? And Ebo Omo Chihono. So what I say? The same thing applies to you can say Paris Saint-Germain, Pachu, Marquinhos, which defensive winning said if you look because when you say team no na who are offensive when they are attacking.
Ushe even Ashraf Hakimi and Nuno Mendes. When they press forward, you can see how inspiring it is even to the attack, the contribution that they give to the attack. No, and you can look at these things very carefully and say that game no goes bebem, but on the face of it, you can't be consider pan a buying.
Game no, I bet to say Real Madrid ne Bayern no. What better take you chances no? You win.
And you who wants it more, you win the game. Who succeeds in maybe I can't say I love the way Bayern Munich play. And now me share documentary be behind the scenes. Bayern Munich for a Real Madrid boy. And I was very intrigued because I was even looking at how Pavlovic etimi calling for the baller Joshua Kimmich across the man share the equalizer. I managed 1-1 during the game against Bayern Munich. And it tells me that the Bayern Munich players have a lot of unity in the team. Vincent Company, why a Juma papa with this team. You can see that, yes, they are building a team that they want to compete at the highest level. But at the same time, the manager, Odio Mwenimno, he's one person who is very cautious and very careful about how he leads the team forward. Now, a united team would always beat a talented team. Because if players no eti no munim say at this level, this is what we have to do. You can always vouch for that team to perform better than a team that just has talent. At the point where they need it the most, they may not show up. Rich, Bayern Munich need to take advantage of game against PSG because if they manage to go to the final, there's nothing that will stop them. BT PSG. Whoever they will meet in the final will not be able to stop them because after playing the quarterfinal with Real Madrid and meeting PSG in the semi-final, you would have prepared yourself because you have played at least 2 finals before the final. Yeah. So, I would go slightly...
So, among the 4, why not become?
No, among the 4, I'll go for Bayern Munich. Okay. Bayern Munich is slightly ahead of PSG. I understand the talent with the PSG and somehow exciting on football. But I see Bayern Munich and Vincent Company building something very special. Okay. If they can keep that unity and fix that defensive situation, there's nobody that can beat them.
I think we're joining high in 4.5. You're fair discussion. And UEFA Champions League semi-finalist, no? When Edna Ojide say, Nyamia Adumafi Champions League, no, so bet me Aje at the SC AN. So, Timo, I'm watching live our YouTube, no? You call off, as I said, you assign Ababak BMT. Also, bet me do an Ababatum would add the 4 clubs in our car or the semi finals, no? PSG, Bayern, Atletico Madrid, Arsenal. Why? And now Ojide say, Fiifi Champions League, no? Obetimi Aje at the SN. So, bet me do message number near Kenkai at the Amakovi, Memra Ho, with the 4 teams, no?
Which in the semi-final of the Champions League, Anna, a few things come into play. Champions League competition, you know, see a bunny about do this point. It comes down to the entire friend, the moments management. Team manage the moments. No, usually go through. It's one of the reasons in tier one Shenina say who underrated what's the quote and unquote small clubs in the context of the Champions League can bring to the table. You probably have to rewrite your books at the end of the say about Champions League final every year. Because say Arsenal for me mitigate risk now almost reduce any form of mistakes that will go on the Champions League final and manage moments. They can get results. Say Atletico Madrid have the chance to do that and they can get results. Again, one of the most important things when it comes to the game between Bayern Munich and the Paris Saint-Germain is how defensively balanced Paris Saint-Germain are. In fact, in terms of attack, both teams are very strong. Harry Kane on any day is assured of a goal, at least across both legs. Luis Diaz, Michael Olise. I mean, and in the conversation of the top players in the world, Michael Olise's name has just jumped up. And Uti Harry Kane, I'll say he's the best winger in the world. Debatable. People always have their opinions. But it is the sheer attacking quality of both teams, Nhyira, the likes of Vicha Kvaratskhelia, Desiree Doué, Ousmane Dembele. And you see, the most important thing that has been very clear, actually, this season with Champions League, him say, moment is the most important thing about the Champions League, and knowing when to play better, knowing when to manage games is important. You know? Hey, how team your friend Paris Saint-Germain, when the season started in itself, they were not the best team. No more struggle in the league phase. They were not the best team to deal with anything at all league phase. But immediately, Mbappe drew round of 16, quarterfinal, just like last season. Last season, after Paris Saint-Germain, they didn't go through automatic qualifications. Almost round of 16, quarterfinals. Their players tend to peak at the right time.
The last time,
yeah. At the right time of the season. Nobody cares about December. Nobody cares about March. They're here April, May. When the big trophies are won with season, that is where the decisions of the Champions League are taken. And with Paris Saint-Germain is very dangerous. Plus, if you compare, even in terms of system and in terms of personnel, the quality of Omone buying from the back. I mean, look at the quality that they have. William Pacho, Marquinhos, very much experienced in Europe. Nuno Mendes, the last time out, we don't know if he'll be able to play. Achraf Hakimi, Abrante Hernandez, if he comes in. One is Emery, Vitinha, João Neves, Fabian Rui. This is quality. Again, Bayern for any that quality from the defense as compared to them. So they are more balanced. But I think Vincent Kompany is building something very exciting on Bayern Munich in terms of when to really set up a game plan based on the opponents. Now, the only time that I've seen Arsenal, Bayern Munich lose a game in the Champions League this season was that game away at the Emirates against Arsenal. Arsenal have not lost a single game, but Bayern for no home Arsenal show. So it tells you that whilst Arsenal may be minus, may not be the big name or Champions League, if they manage the moment well, almost reduce risk, normal control game here. Even if the meeting meets a Bayern or final, they can hurt them. The Champions League at this point in time, it is so difficult to predict or think, say, okay, team Webeji, because it comes down to the minutest of details. As an analyst, it's so difficult to picture and think, okay, it will come down to this or that. Maybe when Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern meet in the Champions League semi-final, I think say Oshe game from the first leg, it will give you a good picture.
JBC was second leg.
Yes.
Is it not going to be a repeat of Bayern Real Madrid? Because it was two teams that Obia defense in yet. Inti wa at the end of the day, who players now are offensive, able to deliver as in moment, able to take then definitely you win the day.
But Paris Saint-Germain will good defense.
Sure.
So how
they compare Bayern?
Exactly. Or good defense. Inti no any bad defense. You see, Paris Saint-Germain have both first leg.
Oh, fear.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I could be Allianz Arena. Cracker.
I think if Paris Saint-Germain will go through, they have to finish the job.
First leg,
at the Parc des Princes, yeah. Also, we may share our club World Cup. Bayern, Paris Saint-Germain share in the last minute extra time.
Okay.
They call the final of the club World Cup, because Chelsea. Inti say Paris Saint-Germain be team qualified to the final. The job has to be done at the Parc des Princes. Because I think that both teams will hold the home advantage. Obiabe really will fear. Obiabe the dominance will fear. I don't think say you a situation to say be a Bayern any Madrid Madrid losing home and away. This time it won't happen. Bakube show only fear and Bakube draw. I don't see one team losing home and away. Either say draw somewhere. It's Paris Saint-Germain draw only fear. I think they are out when they go away to the Allianz Arena. I think that say Paris Saint-Germain we need 3-1, 2-1, 4-1, 5-1, good margin, 3-0, 2-0 car. When they go away to the Allianz Arena, they are going with advantage them. Okay, I'll make me go through. For me, that's how I think that particular time will come down to the home strength of both teams will come to bear because the margin of error is too low and it comes down to the minutest of details. Which I don't know. Who did he say? I say football, reward the teams be especially the Champions League.
Obviously, Atletico Madrid.
Any Arsenal. Because
the number of times on my final.
Yeah.
But won't you win?
Yeah. Because Arsene Wenger, a demon. There were times where they would go close. You remember when they went to Barcelona with Thierry Henry? They get close, but then they don't win it. and after the better call. Then Mikel Arteta has built a team now in the history of the club, as he says, over 100 years. Omako Champions League semi-final consecutively for the very first time. For Atletico de Madrid, years are when you look at the final that they went at Cristiano Ronaldo mobile turning around in extra time, the goal from Sergio Ramos, there is a particular picture that's an enemy person in the chair. Diego Simeone back Guillermo Simeone, not a small boy.
Okay.
He was in the stands. In fact, at the time Sergio Ramos stay Kahneman here 1-1, I acquired extra time at Cristiano Ronaldo Atletico winning goal gave me by 4-1. On that night, Nipo Suyepa no Atletico Madrid player. It was a branch of Guillermo Simeone, the son of Diego Simeone and Obama Atletico Madrid. So it was such a bad night for them. There is a likelihood say Ononene Papa gets a chance at it again. This time, he is going to be on the foot of play. And Rich, Obia Simeone will tell you how much of an effort the young man puts into playing football. Oh yeah, Jumamane Papa. He works so hard, twice as hard as everybody. Maybe it is the South American nature in him as an Argentine player, and also the fact that Nipa Panankasano gives him the chance to be able to be such a good player. And I think it's going to be very important for Arsenal. Upe team Obama na Dings or Beshena Arsenal, and they've not lost this season in the Champions League. In fact, was Atletico Madrid, and the game that we are even going to see on the other side was happened before, which Atletico Madrid and Arsenal match is also going to be the same thing.
And in a nutshell, why not?
I think that Arsenal and Atletico de Madrid match, that one is also going to be the same as Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern match. Whatever you do at home, so we take advantage of a home record and your results. Now you go. Atletico Madrid play at home first, and I wonder. I don't see Arsenal losing at the Emirates. It's Atletico beating go through. They have to finish Arsenal at home at the Riyadh Airwanda Metropolitano. For me, in the final, to see who I think is going to win. Right. But of course, me sure say this month in a semi-final Beba.
Sure.
Once we get there, I'll give you what my pick is.
Okay. I'm not an Arsenal fan, but please let me remind Joshua for me, Bayern lost to Arsenal not too long ago. So Arsenal is capable of beating Bayern Munich again if they proceed in the final. Football is dynamic. Some of you do and the message at the